that, Mitesh. Well, let's turn our attention away from the equity markets to the commodity markets. Manisha Gupta is standing by to tell us about that one commodity she's tracking today. Hey, Manisha, morning.
Morning, Nigel. Thank you for that. Well, I'm looking at the aluminum prices, which are trading at a two-week lows right now. Yesterday as well, we saw prices decline more than 0.5%. And even as aluminum has been an underperformer in the sector, we have seen several buy calls come in for this one. And there are expectations that the China stimulus measures, as and when they come, would be supportive for prices. But at this point in time, we haven't seen that. What we actually are looking at is higher production in China, up by 7.5% in the months of Jan and Feb. Actually, this is the highest output for 2 months since 2015. And that's about Jan and Feb. When you look at the month of March as well, we have seen output increase for aluminum and alumina, both of those metals there. So for aluminum, it's at 8.3% in sense of production. Alumina production in China gained up by 8.6% for the month of March. And this is over and above the fact that for 2022, Chinese aluminum output hit a record high of 40.21 million tons. That is where the pressure is coming in from. And then when you look at the prices itself, we've seen 3% decline in last 1 week, when we're down 1.5% in the last 1 month as well. And on year-on-year basis, we are in the negative 30% when it comes to aluminum prices. Another interesting fact to watch out for aluminum is that US, remember, is not buying Russian aluminum. We have seen tariffs increase onto that one. And even as European and Asian consumers are buying Russian aluminum, but they are delivering it on LME, they do not want to use it, is the statement that we've seen come in from various corporates there. So when you look at the overall number, this is what we have in sense of aluminum stocks on LME, which have come in from Russia. In Jan, it was 41% of overall aluminum. Feb increased to 46%. And the data that has come in on 31st of March shows that 53% of aluminum, which is on LME warehouses, comes in from Russia. That's about aluminum, but look at the other metals as well, and you will see a similar picture here as well. So 49% of copper on LME warehouses is from Russia, and 21% of that comes in from nickel as well. So the markets are looking at enough and more supplies right now, and the demand still fragile. And all eyes on the US inflation data that comes in today. And of course, it is going to be about China stimulus measures, which the street is awaiting.
Thanks a lot to Manisha for that. But let's get back to tracking the